Welcome to our channel. COBRA allows you to keep your employer's health insurance after leaving your job, but it's expensive. Follow these step-by-step instructions to use COBRA effectively. Step 1. Understand COBRA eligibility. Companies with 20 or more employees must offer COBRA continuation coverage when you lose coverage due to job loss, hour reduction, or other qualifying events. Step 2. Watch for your COBRA election notice, which your employer must provide within 44 days of the qualifying event. This notice explains coverage options and costs. Step 3. Act within 60 days of receiving the election notice to enroll in COBRA. Missing this deadline means losing the option to continue your coverage. Step 4. Prepare for costs, as you'll pay the full premium plus up to a 2% administrative fee. COBRA typically costs 3 to 4 times what you paid as an employee. Step 5. Compare COBRA costs with marketplace plans on healthcare.gov. You may find less expensive options with similar or better coverage, and you might qualify for subsidies. Step 6. Consider COBRA for short gaps or if you're mid-treatment. It's valuable for continuing care with established doctors or if you've met your deductible. Step 7. Pay premiums on time to avoid losing coverage. Your first payment is typically due 45 days after electing COBRA, covering retroactive coverage to your loss date. Step 8. Know that COBRA coverage typically lasts 18 months, though it can extend to 36 months for certain qualifying events like divorce or Medicare eligibility. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.